Hi, my name is Alan Dale from Serpentine Productions, and today we're going to try out the Osee T7. It's the first 3000 nits monitors from Osee Technology. So inside the box, you'll find the horseshoe mount. It's made out of metal. The D-tap cable, the DC cable, and the adapter. Here's the Osee T7 3000 nits 4K monitor. At the bottom, you'll find a quarter hole, and also at the top, the joystick. At the back, you have the Sony NPF battery compartment. For the DC cable, speakers, HDMI in and HDMI out, the on and off switch. At the side, you have the 3.5mm and a 2.5mm jack, and SD card for your LUTs. Okay, so let's check out the tools that we have on this monitor. So you can add frame, aspect, save, center, crosshatch, and for your exposure you have false color, zebra, histogram, waveform, vector, and for the focus you have focus assist, peaking, and for the look you have look, audio meter, and image resize. Now let's go ahead and add aspect. Let's turn it on, put it to 16:9. Okay, and after that maybe let's put rule of thirds, then add a new tool. Let's go with let's go with the false color. Let's put in here histogram, turn it on. Let's put it on RGB. Let's put it on the bottom right, change the opacity to 2. And for the focus, let's have a focus assist. Turn it on. Color to red. Let's put in look. You have the camera LUT. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, if you have the false color, it's gonna automatically disable the lock. Enable this, see? Okay. Let's turn on the false color. Let's go down. Let's try image or audio meter. Bottom left opacity to 1, and I guess that's it. So in order to turn off or turn it on, just highlight the tool that you have and then press on the middle, turn it off. And once you if you want it to turn it on, just highlight it and press on the middle as well. So there you have it, folks. You have a lot of tools with this monitor. If you press on the left joystick and hold it out for 3 seconds, you'll go to the menu. You'll find the volume control, backlight, display rotate, anamorphic, DSLR scale, status display, calibration of LUT, language, monitor info, firmware updates, load the LUT file if you have the SD card, and of course factory reset. So I was able to test out the Osee T7 outdoors, and it really helps out when you're shooting at a high frame rate, like for example 120 FPS. On my Sony a6300, if you do that, the display on the back of the camera dims out. You won't be able to see what you shoot, especially when you have a bright sunlight. But with the Osee T7, you can see everything, every detail. And with all the tools that you have for this, it's an easy recommendation. So there goes my first impression on the Osee T7. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below, and I will try to include them on my detailed review for the Osee T7. Again, my name is Alan Dale from Sir Purdue Productions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.